I have a little update for my bird feeder. You guys have been asking about how it's going. Well, let me tell you, I have hundreds of visitors, and here's just some of my favorite footage of some of the birds that came and visited us. The only downfall is they're eating me out of house and home. They are eating this bird feed like there's no other, and I'm getting so many visitors. Now, shh, don't tell nobody, but this also doubles as a surveillance camera. You can see my front door, my windows, and everything. It's motion detected, so what it does is it sends you an alert on your phone with a snapshot of whatever triggers the motion, and you get a 20-second video, and you can watch it live too. And you can also get a subscription where you get 24-hour surveillance. I mean, the birds is doubling as a security camera for me. How fun is that? Get it right here in the TikTok shop. Go check it out, guys. Here's my birds, and hopefully you enjoy watching the birds like we do. We love this bird feeder. It's so fun. Again, check it out in the TikTok shop. It is so fun.